And welcome back. Let's head to Nairobi, Kenya, where Tina Clayton became the fourth Jamaican to win the women's 100-meter title at the World Athletics Under-20 Championships when she recorded a personal best 11.09 seconds to win the 100 meters on Thursday. More in this report.
The 100-meter final was billed as a big clash between Olympic 200-meter finalist Beatrice Masalingi of Namibia and Jamaica's NACAC under-18 champion Tina Clayton after both dominated their respective semi-finals.
Set.
Masalingi in 4 gets a good start, but so does Tina Clayton. Tina Clayton has a lead in the first 50, and Tina Clayton is powering away. Tina Clayton's going to retain the junior women's 100-meter title for Jamaica, 11:11.
With that personal best of 11.09 seconds, the 17-year-old Clayton joined Nicole Mitchell, Veronica Campbell-Brown and Brianna Williams as the only Jamaicans to win the women's 100-meter title at the World Under-20 Championships. Masalingi finished a distant second in 11.39, while Melissa Gutschmidt of Switzerland took bronze with 11.51. Another Jamaican in Karika Hill ended 7th in 11.67. Kobe Lawrence was not able to add to Jamaica's medal tally on day 2 as he finished 8th in the men's shot put final with a best throw of 18.32 meters. Over in the women's triple jump preliminaries, Akila Smith advanced to Friday's final as she cut the sand at 12.99 meters. Despite not getting the automatic qualifying mark of 13.20 meters needed, Smith had the 7th best jump. Earlier, Garielle White was the first Jamaican in action on day 2, and she advanced to the final of the women's 400-meter hurdles after winning Heat 2 in 58.65. Muzia Bridgen will also be in Sunday's final as she finished 2nd in Heat 3 in 58.88. In the men's equivalent, Rashawn Clark produced a personal best of 50.93 to win Heat 1.
Ezekiel Nathaniel clattered that. He's got one more hurdle to go. Let's hope he makes it. Roshan Clark, though, he has judged this right, negotiating that last hurdle very smoothly.
Devontae Archer was also an easy winner of Heat 4 in 52.17. Class 1 800-meter champion Siobhan Hall is through to the semi-finals of the 2-lap event after finishing 3rd in Heat 2 in 1 minute 49.47. Day 2 highlights of the World Athletics Under-20 Championships can be seen this evening at 9 o'clock on TVJ.